Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A53 from 2020 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll and find fingerprint face and password. Let's tap on it. As you can see in the biometrics section we've got add fingerprint option, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the warning that if you will forget your lock screen password, which we will set in the next step, you will be unable to unlock your phone and recover your phone data. So let's tap on continue if you agree, and as I said, here we have to set an additional screen lock. We can enter the password or we can use a different password type. Just tap here and here we've got more options. Let me pick for example pattern. Just tap on the option you want to use. Now let's draw the pattern and let me redraw it. Now we have to add our fingerprint, so we can do it by tapping, by putting our finger on the sensor, which is located on the back of our device. It's right here, so let me put my finger on it. And now I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully. Okay, let's tap on continue, and here we have to enroll our finger in order to add all of the edges of it, of course for better recognition. Okay, let's tap on continue, and as you can see here we've got fingerprint settings. This is the finger we just added. We can tap on it and rename it if you want, for example like this. Let's tap on save. What's more, you can remove it by tapping on this trash bit icon. If you want to do it, just tap on delete, but I will get back. Of course you can add another fingerprint. Just tap on this option here. What's more, here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the screen unlock option, which is now active, but we've got also app lock and private save. If you want to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here. Let me get back and let me leave it like this, and now let's check if it is working. Let's lock our device. Okay, and now I'm putting my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the fingerprint worked, so our device is unlocked. Let me check another option. We can unblock our device also with a password or a PIN or a pattern we just set, so we have to slide it up and let's enter the pattern. As you can see, it also worked. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your OPPO A53 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.